Welcome back to Instabulls, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys on a major breakout that we had in the Instabulls room today. Over 100% on this breakout with GCT. Again, real quick, if you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, very volatile breakouts like we mentioned here with GCT from pre-market. It was probably the first thing that we mentioned. And again, just a very nice continuation on the day. Alerted this out the gate, alerted this midday when we did continue on higher. As you guys can see, we did have this continuation. Again, alerted this way here in the morning and then continued on higher again. If you're looking for these breakouts, go to instabulls.com in the description below. I'm going to go over exactly how this broke out today, what gave us confirmation, and what exactly we're looking for to continue here, as we did have a major continuation previously with HKD and MIGL, also recent IPOs, which we also did mention in the Instabulls room. I'm going to go over all this with you guys. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the 5-minute chart with you guys here on GCT. So I wanted to go over exactly what gave us confirmation during the day for this continuation, because it's very important that we know exactly which indicators to be watching for these possible continuations that we mentioned in the Instabulls room throughout the day, and also which indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation here if we are looking for that increase in strength like we had previously with HKD and MIGO continuing into the next days. So we started off the day here with GCT with an alert mentioning that we had a 21.22 high in pre-market, looking to see if we can continue. That was exactly at this point in time. We did have this continuation in pre-market. We were looking to see if we can continue. We did break above pre-market highs. We had this continuation on higher, a 100% breakout on this continuation, breaking above our pre-market high that we had. And then midday, we did get halted just before we broke into new highs. Mentioned that halt, continued on higher, about $40 to $50 at that point in time. Mentioned no more alerts at $55. We did continue on up to 58, but again, we did have that large rejection. Very much mentioning at $55 before we got to 58 to make sure we did, again, stay green here. So again, we did stay green. And as you guys can see, we came up, we retested highs of day. I did not mention this one, and the reason why is because we did not have that increase in buy pressure, which is exactly what we'd be looking for to get confirmation on a continuation here. As you guys can see, we came up, we tested, we did not have that buy pressure we're looking for. We had that follow through with a decrease in buy pressure, again, getting our white shaded lines one after another. Even after we had a solid green bar, we had a white shaded line coming in. So again, showing us that decrease in momentum, and sure enough, getting that rejection, getting that double top at the end of the day. However, if we are looking for that continuation, that rejection that we had at the end of the day was here at 60. So I would be looking to see if we can continue on past 60, see if we can reclaim 60 going into pre-market on Monday is definitely the better play here. So again, to get confirmation here, we need to make sure we do break above our previous buy pressure point. I would be adding an alert here. You go over the plus sign here on the right side here. This is on TradingView. You click add alert, and then you can put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if we do break above it, you will be confirmed. And of course, if we do get confirmed, we will mention this in the Instabulls room. Sometimes we get confirmed even before we do break above that buy pressure point, depending on how exactly that setup is. That's what we do in the Instabulls room. We mention things as early as possible. I mean, honestly, today was probably one of the most choppy days that we've seen in the last couple of months, and we had still nice breakouts throughout the day. Some were high risk, some weren't, but they all pretty much continued on higher. Very nice breakouts that we had in the Instabulls room today. But again, GCT, the reason why we knew we could possibly continue on higher, we had our 20-day moving average still over our 50 throughout the whole day, again, showing us that we still could continue. We even had our EMA lines above the median of MACD on top of it, showing us that we still could continue. Even on this turnaround to play this bounce, if we played our EMA lines crossing here, then we could have had this bounce here and possibly played another 100% breakout here if we did play a little early on this. So again, that is the type of breakouts that we mentioned in the Instabulls room every single day, making sure we are focused on price action, and confirmation is exactly what we will continue to focus on in the Instabulls room. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for major breakouts like we mentioned here with GCT, if you guys did see HKD in the last couple of weeks, or you guys did see MIGL, or even BBIG, which was also a major breakout, which my favorite of the week was BWV with monkeypox news that we had a couple of days ago, running over 200% on news from pre-market. Go to instabulls.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout of today again. And again, all of you Instabulls that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. God bless every one of you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'm going to go over the market with you guys on Sunday as usual, and then tomorrow I'm going to probably go over APDN. A lot of people are curious if APDN can have a major squeeze like we had here with GCT. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.